Hi, my dinos. Welcome back to another episode of Numbers with Kitty Cat. It's me, Kitty Cat. Did you know that wetlands are home to baby fishes? Swamps, marshes, and bogs are types of wetlands. Wetlands can have freshwater, saltwater, or a mixture of both. They are home to lots of different aquatic plants and animals. Wetlands can serve as nurseries for lots of animals. Fish, frogs, alligators, and crocodiles lay eggs here. It's a great place for the babies to hatch and grow. They are also home to many different kinds of insects like dragonflies. Are you ready for our worksheet now? Remember, the link below is provided for you to print out the worksheet so we can do it together. First, let's grab our favorite color crayon and write our name. I chose blue. Can anyone think of what's blue? How about a blueberry? Great job, dinos. Now let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it one more time. Color the animal according to the number codes. It says here that 1 is red, 2 is pink, and 3 is brown. Now say it with me. 1 is red, 2 is pink, and 3 is brown. Great job, dinos. Where it says 1 is red, find the 1 and color it red. Now it says 2 is pink. So where it says 2, color it pink. Remember, there's a photo of Mr. Bunny on the right just in case you need help. But I know you dinos got this. You dinos are great. By the way, you're doing such a great job at staying inside the lines. My dinos make me so proud. Now that we're done with pink, it says 3 is brown. So where it says 3, color it brown. You could choose light brown, dark brown, or medium brown, whichever brown you like. I chose a light brown. What brown did you choose? Ooh, I like that. While my dinos are coloring, I want to ask you a question. How has your day been? It's very important to me. Oh, that's spectacular. Are you having fun? Good. I'm so happy you're having fun while learning. Okay, last question while you're coloring. Who's the strongest, toughest, smartest dino there ever was? That's right, you! My dinos are tough, strong, and smart. Now I'm just finishing off the last hand of the bunny. There we are, all done. Great job, my dinos. I'm so proud of every one of you. I can't wait to see you next week, my dinos. Bye.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities,
songs and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!